Hey, what's up, my friend? So, in today's episode, I wanted to talk about, given what I know today, right, how would I start my trading all over again? So, let's say, I'm someone new to trading. How would I approach trading given what I had been through over the years? First thing first, right, I would ask myself, what is the goal of trading? Right, most people would say, oh, the goal, Rayner, is to make money. Duh, ka-ching, the money, the moolah. But here's the thing, right? Making money, it's not wrong, but it's vague. What type of money are you looking to make? Are you looking to make 10% a year? Or is it more like, making a consistent income from trading every month? So there's a difference in that, right? Yes, we're all looking to make money, but what type of returns are you looking for? Something that is more wealth building in nature, making 10, 15, 20% a year, or looking for something more consistent, 2, 3% a month. So once you've defined your goal, then you can find the right methodology to meet your goals. And that's number 2, right? Defining your methodology. So let's say, for example, you have a full-time job, right? Trading is not something that you want to do full-time, and you want something that is relatively have little subjectivity, something that is rule-based, something that could make maybe 10, 15% a year. Then clearly, right, systematic trading is something that you want to consider because it's rule-based, doesn't take up too much time. Once you've done the initial legwork, right, then it's all about the execution. So can you see how the methodology fits your goal? Or on the other hand, let's say you want to generate a consistent income from trading. Maybe you're looking for a way to make 2-3% on most months. Then clearly you cannot be trading off the daily or weekly time frame. You got to be trading off the lower time frames, day trading, or scalping the markets or whatsoever. So clearly, right, given the goal that you had, which is to generate a consistent income from the markets, you got to be trading off the lower time frame. So again, right, define your goal first, then you can find the right methodology to meet your goals. The third thing is this, right? So once you know the trading methodology that you want to learn, right, how should you learn it? There's a lot of resources out there. And my suggestion is, don't sign up for courses yet, right? Instead, dabble in the free stuff like, books, right? It's not free. Books is not free, but it's relatively cheap. Blogs, and what else? Twitter, follow people on Twitter, study the YouTube training videos. These are all free or relatively cheap materials for you to get started and to dive deeper into the methodology that you want to learn about. Maybe you might realize, oh man, this is not for me, right? Then hey, you can find other methodologies that meet your goal. So one thing to look for is that, what are the things to look for when you are reading books, when you're following traders on social media whatsoever. So the key thing to look for is, I would focus on number 1, right? The thought process, right? Whatever stuff that they share, right? What's the thought process behind it? Is it something that resonates with you? If it resonates and has, logic to it, right, then clearly this person knows what he's talking about. Also, right, I also like to follow people, right, that can provide data to back up their findings. This could be, backtesting data. This could be their trading journal results and stuff like that. Data to back up their findings. These are the type of people that I would also want to follow. The type of people that I would stay away from are those who usually post their P&L, right? Oh, look how much money I made, right? $5,000 today just by clicking, the mouse. Chick, 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 chick. 5K, ping, ka-ching. I mean, when you see such posts, it's a waste of time, right? Just stay away from such people and such so-called influencers. You won't get any value out of it. Okay, so that's the third thing that I'll do, right? Study books, blogs, follow people on social media, and try to gain more insights into the trading methodology. And the fourth thing I would do is that once I am pretty certain that I want to walk down this path, let's say systems trading, I would then invest in courses, right, about systems trading. Maybe I'll invest a course on how to develop trading systems. Or maybe if I want to learn how to be a price action trader, I'll invest in courses that shows me, right, the right way to approach price action trading, right? Again, right, that would be something that you would have to think for yourself, right, whether this is a course, right, that you really want to dive deep into. Okay, and finally, the last thing that I would do is I would develop a trading strategy or a trading system around the trading methodology that I want to learn. For example, let's say price action trading, I'll develop a trading strategy around it, right? What are the market conditions that I would trade? What is my entry trigger? Where do I set my stop loss, my trade management, my targets, what markets I would trade, and stuff like that. So once that is nailed down, right, I would then, take this strategy and trade it in the live markets, right? Since back testing for price action trading, it can be that, but it's not too accurate because of certain biases that we have as a human. So I will take this and forward trade in the live markets with a really small account and see how the results fare, right? From the results, I can then, make adjustment, make tweaks to it, right, to improvise on the trading strategy. On the other hand, let's say I went down with the systems trading route, then what I'll do is that I would develop a trading systems with clearly defined rules on how I would trade. similar to the price action one, just that the rules are now more objective. There's no discretion. Then since I can't trade, right, I'll take that rules and pass it on to a programmer to help me program or code it up, right, and see how that rules fare during the backtest results. If it's good, right, or if it's something that I can live with within my expectations, I'll trade it on a small live account. If the results are still, similar to what the backtest results show, then I'll slowly look to, scale up that system, right, or, adopt different trading systems to trade together over time. Alright, so hopefully this, kind of give you the big picture view to how I would start trading all over again, right? If, I have to start from scratch. Alright, so with that said, I wish you good luck and good trading, and I will talk to you soon.